Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best FilterQueen is probably one of the most effective ways to ensure a spotless home. Known for their advanced filtration, these vacuums are designed to capture even the tiniest particles, making them a top choice for allergy sufferers and anyone who prioritizes air quality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of FilterQueen vacuums to see if they live up to the hype. Number 5. EnviroCare Filter Cones for FilterQueen Vacuums. Tired of searching for the right vacuum filters? These EnviroCare replacement filter cones are designed specifically for FilterQueen vacuums. They offer a convenient and effective solution for maintaining your vacuum's performance. These filter cones are engineered to perfectly fit your FilterQueen vacuum cleaner. This ensures a secure fit and optimal filtration. It's a simple way to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Each package includes 12 filter cones and 2 additional filters. This provides you with a generous supply to keep your vacuum operating efficiently for an extended period. This set offers great value and convenience. Installing these filters is quick and easy. Simply replace the old ones with these new EnviroCare filters. It's a hassle-free process that anyone can do. By using these replacement filters, you can maintain the performance of your FilterQueen vacuum. They help capture dust and allergens, ensuring cleaner air in your home. It's a simple step towards a healthier living environment. What we like? These replacement filter cones are a cost-effective solution for your FilterQueen vacuum. They ensure your vacuum continues to perform at its best. If you are looking for a budget-friendly way to maintain your FilterQueen's efficiency, you should consider these. What people say? These are a perfect fit. No loss of suction. Quality looks good. Fit perfectly on my old FilterQueen. FilterQueen disposable pre-filter vacuum bags I couldn't buy in town. The vacuum repair companies moved on, so best deal here. EnviroCare technology supplied at Amazon. Number 4. FilterQueen Majestic Replacement Filter Kit. Introducing the FilterQueen Majestic Replacement Filter Kit. This kit is designed to keep your home clean and healthy. It ensures your surface cleaner operates at its best. The premium bundle includes everything you need. It comes with 6 primary biocones, a Metapure cone, and a motor guard filter. This comprehensive set ensures optimal air filtration. Proudly made in the USA, this kit comes with Healthmore's warranty. You can trust the quality and performance of this product, knowing it's backed by a reputable manufacturer. For the best results, always use genuine filters. Only the original filters provide the filtration level you expect. Don't compromise on quality, choose the authentic product. These filters are made by Healthmore in Ohio. You are getting the real deal, made with quality materials. Accept no substitutes for the best performance. This filter kit is designed to last for up to 6 months. Replace the primary biocones monthly and the Metapure filter and motor guard every 6 months. This ensures your system continues to perform at its peak. What we like? This premium bundle includes everything you need for 6 months of optimal cleaning. It's a genuine OEM product, ensuring the best performance for your FilterQueen. If you value long-lasting, high-quality filtration and want to keep your home clean, you should consider this. What people say? Keeps my 32-year-old Majestic running like new. The unit is a great machine, lots of suction when clean, no bags, just canister so no dust. The head on the machine brings carpet up looking like new. Number 3. FilterQueen Majestic Power Nozzle Attachment. This attachment is built by the manufacturer, Healthmore. It is made in their Brooklyn, Ohio facility. You can be assured of its quality. This is the OEM FilterQueen Majestic Surface Cleaner Power Nozzle Attachment. It is designed to work seamlessly with your existing system. The power nozzle's powerful spinning brush gets deep down in carpeting and rugs. It provides a clean that you won't find anywhere else. This attachment will make your carpets look brand new. This is a genuine FilterQueen product. It fits the Majestic surface cleaner perfectly. You can trust its performance. This attachment is specifically designed for the Majestic surface cleaner. It ensures optimal cleaning performance. Get yours today. What we like? This power nozzle attachment is designed for deep carpet cleaning. Its powerful spinning brush gets deep into carpets and rugs. If you have carpets and want a thorough clean, you should consider this. What people say. My vacuum cleaner power nozzle quit working. Not being mechanically inclined, we chose to purchase a new power nozzle. Works great. I have a 10-year-old FilterQueen vacuum that I love. I ordered the new attachment and am thrilled. It is like having a brand new vacuum. I bought the original FilterQueen in 1983. The only issue ever with a wand electrical connector near handle for hose became loose. Other than a high-end price, I can say this was a very well designed and built quality air filtration system. Cleaned and lifted everything from carpet, upholstery, hard floors. Number 2. FilterQueen Brown Crevice Tool. Introducing the FilterQueen Crevice Tool. This tool is designed to help you clean those hard-to-reach places. It's a must-have accessory for your cleaning needs. This crevice tool comes with a locking button for added convenience. The locking button ensures that it stays securely in place while you clean. It's easy to use and very effective. The crevice tool is brown, matching the color scheme of your FilterQueen vacuum. The color is consistent with the original design. It blends seamlessly with your existing accessories. This crevice tool is specifically designed to fit FilterQueen Brown models 31X, D31X, and D33. It's a perfect fit for your vacuum. It ensures optimal performance and cleaning efficiency. Simply attach this tool to your FilterQueen vacuum. It's ready to use in seconds. This tool will make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. What we like. This crevice tool is designed to fit specific FilterQueen models. It features a locking button for ease of use. If you need to reach those hard-to-access areas, you should consider this. What people say. Fit perfect, does what I needed. This vacuum is over 50 years old and still working great. And this part fit perfectly. Amazed. Grateful. Arrived on time and is lightweight and fits my FilterQueen, which dates back to the 1970s. Number 1. FilterQueen Majestic Surface Cleaner. Introducing the Majestic, it's more than just a vacuum. This is the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution for your entire home. The Majestic is designed to clean various surfaces. From hardwood and tile to furniture and bedding, it handles it all with ease. It features a bagless cyclonic action. Air is filtered through the filter cones, ensuring a thorough clean. Proudly assembled in the USA, in our Ohio plant. We have been assembling our FilterQueen products right here. The versatility of the Majestic is unmatched. It's designed to clean from hardwood and tile to furniture and bedding. It comes with a hose and wand, power nozzle, bare floor brush, dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery brush. These attachments make cleaning your home easy. What we like. The Majestic is more than just a vacuum, it's an all-in-one cleaning machine. It features bagless cyclonic action for efficient cleaning. If you are looking for a versatile, whole-house cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. My FilterQueen vacuum cleaner is the bomb. Works better than a Dyson. My floors have never been cleaner. Have owned one for over 30 years and lasts forever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.